What up, guys? Welcome back to another not so daily video. My name is David.
My name is Kevin.
And today we're watching Hua Chenyu once again. Yes, bro. Today we're gonna be watching Hua Chenyu with Shiding in The Sound of War episode 10. 10, guys. So if you want to see the original video, that's it. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell button, and bro, let's watch this, man.
Let's watch,
bro.
bro.
Since Hua Chenyu.
That set is sick. Right?
Yes, it is, bro. Yes.
It's really intense.
Can the volume go a little louder? Cut his hair?
I think this is a while ago.
Could it be?
Or is it new? Yeah, their voices go really well together.
So nice, bro. We needed this to calm down. We're angry before.
We lost that again. What genre would this be? 'Cause this is I like this genre.
Oh no, man. Voice.
Is this a Christmas song, you think? Or something like that, like a winter song? I feel like it is. It's like the snow's everywhere. Whoa.
Wow. Oh,
Sad?
wow. This is what I'm talking about.
Oh,
She's
he's
rapping?
rapping? Yeah. Holy shit. Zero to 100, bro.
200.
1,000.
I can't go any higher.
A million.
That was amazing.
Bro, they both got beautiful
Yo, they
voices.
found the perfect like rendition. Oh my god. Wow.
That stare down.
I know, right? Someone's gotta go.
Wow. Wait, is that it?
Nah.
Oh, It's not.
I thought it was done.
I thought it was. I'm not lying.
What is the?
So it's not a Christmas song. I just thought of Jingle Bells. That's why, you know.
Wow.
Oh, that smile though.
Ah! That's so cute, bro. His other face is like,
Were you smitten, bro?
I was smitten, bro.
I don't know how she felt, bro.
Oh, we went for the hug. She didn't go for the hug. All right, we just watched the rest of it, like till the end.
Yeah, we can't include that part because I feel like that one's gonna get even like that one we might get blocked for.
But bro, they were like soulmates. Their voices,
right?
Oh, I also like you saw the little stairs they had.
I like the rap came out of nowhere. The 0 to 100 part or 1000. That was awesome.
1 billion.
Billion.
Bro.
Trillion.
Wow. Bazillion. Wow. It's amazing though.
Gazillion.
Ah, so nice, man. Like
Yeah.
I haven't seen someone sing that good with Hua.
It meshed well, like so well.
And they said that they both were together, like they were both worked together in it. Like they didn't sleep, they didn't eat. Ah, bro.
So
and I love how much respect she had to him. You know, it was so nice.
Yeah.
I love this. I love this.
Yeah.
If you guys love today's video, make sure to like, subscribe, hit that bell button.
Also, comment below what else you want us to see from Hua Chenyu, because we definitely want to check out more. Leave the links too. Hopefully,
Yes.
like if you can, put English subs just for us.
Yes.
But if you don't have to leave the link.
Yeah. So if you
just
see
comment
a
down below.
link, if you see a comment you like, make sure you like it. That way we know which one top comments. And thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Peace.
Bye.